welcome back to my channel, C.Taylor-Marie. Today is all about natural hair. I'm going to show you guys how I created this lovely flat twist that I am rocking. I'm loving how much volume I'm having with this hair because normally my curls do not come out with this volume. Let me tell you guys that. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and show you how I do it. I'm going to go ahead and, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I achieved this. I'm going to show you guys new products I'm using. And after that, I do have another video posted about natural hair. It's a product review and about the products I use and I love. But yeah, let's go ahead and create this look. Alright you guys, this is how I'm looking basically fresh out of the shower. I did go ahead and I cold wash with the Pantene Gold Series cold wash. Boom, boom. And I did go ahead and I deep condition. I guess I shouldn't have did that. And I did go ahead and I deep conditioned with the Pantene Gold Series repairing mask. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and use the Pantene Gold Series throughout this method as I create this look. So stay tuned and watch. So after coat washing and deep conditioning my hair, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair into a smaller section. This just makes it easier for me to work with, detangle. 2 in the front and then I do 2 in the back. The 2 in the front are kind of split in down the middle, and then I take that back section and do half up, half down, just so I don't have weird parts kind of in my hair. I don't want my parts to be exactly straight, but I don't want them just all over the place. So then I'm going to take my Pantene Gold Series Moisture Boost Conditioner and apply it to that back section, which I'm going to start working with first. I'm going to work that in, making sure my hair and my ends are nice and moisturized. I put as much as needed. Sometimes I use a lot, sometimes I use a little, just depending on how much moisture I need to add to my hair. I do want to say, like, off topic, you guys, please excuse the bruise on my arm. I don't know where it came from. I probably ran into a wall or something, but please excuse that. So when it comes to detangling, I'm going to go ahead and use my white tooth comb, and then I also have a detangling brush, and I'm going to detangle with. After that, I'm going to go ahead and take my coconut oil, and then I'm going to seal in that moisture that I did with my conditioner. I will be using the LOC method throughout this whole process, making sure my hair is nice and moisturized and everything is locked in. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take my Pantene Gold Series Buttercream and I'm going to go ahead and lock in all that moisture that I did with my conditioner and my oil. Just locking it in, making sure, like I said, hair is nice and moisturized, especially with high porosity hair. That is my biggest goal here. I do go ahead and top off my LOC method with a lightweight oil. I decided to use grapeseed oil in this video here. So like I said, I moisturized with conditioner, oil, and then I locked it in with my cream, and then I'm just going to top it off with a lightweight oil. And then I'm going to go ahead and take that big section and section it off into small sections. I separate it based on how I want the size of my twist to be. I don't really like really big twists. So I'm just going to do it kind of big, kind of small, kind of medium size. This is how it's basically going to look. As you guys can see, the shrinkage on my hair is so real. It's ridiculous. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead finally and take my Pantene Gold Series Curl Defying Pudding, and I'm just going to work that into the small section before I twist. This is kind of how I form my curls without using an eco styler or anything like that. Like I said in my my other video, I'm going to mention how I'm not really a fan of stylers, but this is the one that I do like. As I twist it, I do go ahead and keep detangling, making sure my ends stay detangled and fresh throughout the process. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead for the rest of my hair and repeat that process. Conditioner, oil, cream, another oil, and then my curl pudding, and then twisting it up into small sections.
Like I got 3 strikes. could sell out. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? I need you to free me. It's a prison inside my mind. Break me, taste me, pull me up like the northern lights. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes. Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes. Call me, 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 call me.
Getting to the front, I'm going to go ahead and I part my hair where I want my part to lie at after I am done. I kind of like my part, it doesn't really matter what side you pick. I'm going to go ahead and part it on this side, kind of diagonal, and then I'm just going to take those 2 sections, twist it back up, and then start working with 1 section at a time, following the same process I did for my back, moisturizing, locking in that moisture, and then twisting it up.
Call me, 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 call me. Doing like 95 on the interstate, looking for a dinner plate. I'm hungry, you call me, say you got something and it's all me. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? I need you to free me. It's a prison inside my mind. Break me, taste me, pull me up like the northern lights. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes. Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes. Lit up, burnt out, closer to God than we've ever been now. Sipping slow, talking loud, enough so we could sell out. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? I need you to free me. It's a prison inside my mind. Break me, taste me, pull me up like the northern lights. Can you hold me down for one night like I got 3 strikes? Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes. Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes. Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes. Call me, 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 like I got 3 strikes.
Getting to the front, most of my hair is 4C, 4B, but this front part is kind of a 3C. So I'm going to go ahead and I flat twist this part instead of a regular twist. I just find out that my flat twist looks better in the front than a regular twist because of, I don't know you guys, just to where my hair comes out. But this is basically what it's looking like all twist up. I'm just going to go ahead with my jumbo bonnet. I love my jumbo bonnets. Put it on my hair, of course, and let it, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my head and I just, of course, go to sleep at night, let it dry, and then I will work on it in the morning. Alright, you guys, so this is not the morning, but this is technically the middle of the day. So I woke up and my hair was not fully dry, and I had to go to work, so I just threw my hair in like little scarf look thing with my bun on the front, on the top, and lay my edges. And yeah, so after work, this is kind of what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go ahead and slay my hair after work to show you guys what my hair would look like if I would have went to work and it would have dried all the way. But let's go ahead and get into it. I do go ahead and I pre-stretch my hair with not only clips, but they're also in some little rubber bands that's just kind of like stretching them down. I'm gonna go ahead with my olive oil. And always get your hands nice and moist before you touch your hair. Alright, so I went ahead and just moisturized my hair. I'm going to start untwisting it. And you guys can see, like, my shrinkage in my hair, it's crazy. Like, it just goes up so much. It's ridiculous. But anyways. And I just untwist the strands. I haven't separated them yet because I'm going to show you guys how I separate my hair. But I just untwist it and then just place it. And you can still see how bad that shrunk. So I'm going to have to stretch my hair so much. But yeah. So I believe I have every twist. I'm just going to go ahead once again with my olive oil, moisturizing my hands. I don't know why I keep saying moisturizing like that. Just putting olive oil on my hands and getting my fingers nice and oily before touching my hair. And then basically I can put this up. And I'm just going to go through and just separate my twists where they want to separate. I'm not going to force separate them, just where it wants to come apart at and separate. If you force separate it, you will cause friction, frizz. You will cause frizz, frizz. I got 3 strikes. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna stretch my hair with this method, just kind of stretching these things without touching my ends and messing them up. This is kind of what my front is gonna look like because my front just does its own little thing. My baby hairs are pretty much good, so I'm not gonna touch those. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair stretch for about 30 minutes, and I'll be back. Alright, so I did go ahead and let my hair stretch for about 2 hours because I got into a really good movie. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead, take my pick, go in there. I did kind of pick it off camera, but just go in there at the roots, create some volume. Just fluff it how you desire, of course. But this is basically the end look, you guys. I am loving it. Pantene Gold Series never does me wrong. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe, check out my other videos, and see you next time.